So with that, we're going to get into the sandbox for today. I like this sandbox. It's kind of fun. Now, you are limited to which programs you can use on this because it does use external files. But we've got a sample set of turtle code, and you won't even need to modify this, although you can if you want to expand the functionality. So I'm going to take this turtle code and just copy and paste it. And it's got one function that is defined already. And it is going to open a file by the name of whatever I want. I'll call it rectangle.txt, new, and I'm going to say file, rectangle.txt. That's an empty text file for now. But I've got some sample text here that just contains these basic commands. And these commands have to be formatted in this way. But they can be LT for left, FD for forward, RT for right. And they correspond to turtle commands. So these are the degrees, or in the case of forward, it's how far you want to go forward. And so the way this is going to work is this is actually going to read this file, and it's going to use the data in this file to control the turtle. So now I've got a turtle that can just take very simple files and turn those into images. So if I run this, oh, you know what, it is probably hiding. There it is. Okay, so if I run that, it's a little rectangle. I can change the design it does by just changing some of these. Let's go 120. Okay, so if I run that, then it changes the design. So what I want you to do for this turtle assignment is come up with some other shapes just by changing the text file. And if you want to go a little bit deeper, then you can actually get into the code inside this function, the execute turtle commands, and maybe you want to add something here, like elif command equals circle, then we'll go t circle value. So I'll save that, and now I can say circle. Okay. So now I can add functionality to that. You might want to see if you can add a color parameter or add a parameter for filling in the shape or not, or something like that. There's a lot of different options. I encourage you to play around and see what you can do. But that is the Module 12 Sandbox Challenge.